kills, millions died, several buried, thousands pellet fire, use of banned weapons, targeting the civilians, denying aid and relief. That is Kashmir. Starting my speech with the pious and holy name of Almighty Allah. Today I am here just to elaborate the topic, Kashmir, the burning paradise. You know, I just found impossible to complete this topic in just 2 or 3 minutes. But however, I have to do it. Ranbir Singh's grandson Hari Singh, who took the notch to Western Kashmir in 1925, just to raise the monarch in Pakistan on 1947, the day when Pakistan came into being. वो कहते हैं आज़ादी ख्वाब समझो, वो कहते हैं आज़ादी ख्वाब समझो, ऐ नादान तुम इस ख्वाब को एक ताबीर समझो. Kashmiri's people, our peoples, Pakistani's blood, our brothers still paying the price of their anger, outraging their blood, especially men and women are killed daily. Little who were innocent children are died daily. Once, an apple fallen from a tree, and Newton discovered gravity. To this 1,000 Kashmiri falls, no one discovered humanity. No one's pathetic conditions. What are we doing here? Nothing. You are to sit calmly here. Stand up. Yes, I want free Kashmir. I want safe Kashmir. I want green Kashmir. I want my Kashmir. I know it is very easy to talk about freedom, but really it is very difficult to work on it. I want to say all my evil eyes that if you think by hanging us you will crush our dream of wisdom, you are mistaken, my dear. You can't. Real struggle starts after my hanging. हम झुके नहीं, हम मिटे नहीं, हम कहीं छुप छुपाकर खड़े नहीं, जो खड़े हुए हैं महाज पर हमें उन सफों में तलाश कर. In the last, I want to say that we are here gathered. Let's off together. Yes, I want my Kashmir back and I fight for it. Bless Pakistan, bless Kashmir. Thank you.